Okay, I'm going to show you how to assemble this, but first I thought I'd show you this pile of parts here. These represent an approximate timeline of where this development started. Here's my first races, very simple, with a couple of spigots. I then added a spacer for the bearings. Then I went on to the Mark II design, which those are the plastic parts for. And then these parts here are all the unpublished variations of the Mark III design, and you can see how the cams have developed over a period of time. So that might be of interest to some. None of this, of course, would have been really possible before 3D printing was available. There would be thousands of hours of work actually making those parts. But this is my Mark III design, and I want to show you how to assemble it. To start with, you need the race, and what I tend to do to check it is I get one of these, put it in, and then just see if it'll roll smoothly in there, and that's pretty good. There's no catches or anything in there. So to assemble this, first I get a couple of spacers, and these make pretty handy. And I then, this is the very top part, so I put that on there. I put 1, 2, you see these have got a pin on them. I make sure they go into the outer hole. Doesn't really matter about their alignment. And then put this part on. Now the alignment of this part is fairly important. It goes with the race down, and it needs to go so that and that, those two parts there are pretty close. And getting it in is a case of... Okay, and getting it in is a case of lining these parts here up and gently easing them into place. Don't rush this because they will snap. I've tried to design them so they got a bit of strength in them, but you need to have them weak enough so they can give and strong enough so they don't snap into use. So just, yeah, there we go, that's in. And so you can see those are all in, and I'll just turn it over and just line the holes up and put these screws in. Those. I do the screws up so that the part can still move freely and they don't actually pinch. Okay, that's a little bit too tight. This cam here is going the wrong way, so we'll just rearrange it a bit. Once the elastics are in place, there you go. So you can see it slides pretty smoothly. I think that one's a little bit tight. Then all you need to do is add your elastics. 1, 2, 3, and you should find that that mechanism now works. nicely. Let's loosen these off a little bit. So that's your spigot assembly. I'll put that over there for a while. Assembling the races is quite easy. You just take your spacer, put it on, I put them in a circular pattern. It helps with the alignment. Just a couple more. Okay, they're all in nicely. We then take this and again offer it up. This is a little bit tricky because you've got to, they'll sit on the bearings and there it clicks in place. And there you go. Thank you.